Hi, welcome to Let's Learn and Entertain channel. Today we are going to see how to connect mobile camera to the laptop or PC. If we connect mobile camera into the PC, we can use it as a webcam for online meetings and online classes and all. So if you have high clarity webcam, it will be so useful for online classes. So for that, don't need to buy outside for high quality webcam. We can use our mobile as a webcam. For that, we need software. Just go to the Google IRIUN webcam. Just go to the website. You can able to see the softwares for Windows and Mac. I am downloading for Windows now. So it's a just normal installation step. You can give next for that installation. That's it. So nowadays most of the laptop not having proper webcam, so the clarity of that webcam will not be good for online classes. For those people it will be so useful. Just utilize that. Just run that web application. You can see that window. This is the window for that webcam. So it is done. Then we have to connect the Wi-Fi. So if you have router or broadband, both laptop and mobile connected to that router, then no need to further connection. We can easily connect mobile. Suppose we don't have any router, just switch on the mobile hotspot in your mobile and connect your laptop into the hotspot, mobile hotspot. That's it. If you have any doubt in switching on that mobile hotspot in the mobile, just I will give the link in the description. You can check that. So I can connect my mobile hotspot in the laptop. So let's see how to download that EDM webcam in the mobile. Just go to the Play Store and type IRIUN webcam. Just install that. So this is difficult at first time. After that, it will be so easy to connect using EDM webcam. It looks difficult, but it is very easy. So open that app and give all the permissions. So that's it. You can able to see the views of mobile showing in the laptop also. So laptop having that access to use the mobile camera. So for the Zoom meeting, if you have Zoom app, you can use this as a mobile webcam. So if your mobile support 4K, webcam also supports till 4K video. So go to Zoom settings. You can able to see video settings and all. So normally it will be in integrated web camera, means laptop camera, inbuilt camera. So if you change to EDM webcam, then the mobile view will be visible on the Zoom settings. If you use that, we can use mobile as a camera for the Zoom meeting. So similarly we can use it for other meeting applications like Microsoft Teams and all. So try that. If you have any doubt in that, you can ask your query in the comments. I'll try to resolve it. Thanks for watching this video, and subscribe for the channel for more technical tips and tricks. Thank you.